Today, I'm putting two robot vacuum cleaners side by side to the test. We have the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A versus the Eufy E25. Now both are designed to vacuum, mop, and take cleaning off your to-do list, but when you dig into the details, there are some huge differences in performance, convenience, and design. Let's break this down one category at a time. The most important part about a robot vacuum isn't just the suction power, it's how smartly it navigates. Roborock equips the S5A with precise sense LiDAR navigation. This means it literally uses lasers to measure distance and build a detailed map of your home. And add the reactive tech of obstacle avoidance. It doesn't just detect objects, it identifies and adjusts instantly. Socks on the floor, power cables, or even pet toys, the S5A steers them around gracefully without wasting time. Now the Eufy E25 on the other hand, it relies on structured light with RGB plus LED sensors. It's functional, but the Roborock mapping is more advanced, more efficient, and ultimately saves time while assuring a better coverage. Looking at the suction numbers alone, the Eufy E25 claims 20,000 PA pascals, while the Roborock S5A lists for 18,500 PA. But here's the thing, suction rating is only half of the story. Roborock uses a hyperforce suction system that maximizes airflow efficiency. Its dual divided brush design is built to handle hair without tangling and can agitate carpets efficiently while staying gentle on hardwood floors. The Eufy offers a liftable main brush, which is handy, but the Roborock balanced that out with a smarter airflow design and an overall real-world cleaning results. Its multifunctional dock 3.0 is an all-in-one hub that not only charges the robot, it also washes the mop pads, and that being at 75 degrees of hot water, scrubbing away any grime that cold water just can't remove. Then it uses hot air drying to keep the pads fresh and odor free. And yes, the dock even cleans itself. That means no more manually rinsing dirty mops for every few days. The S5A uses dual spinning mops rotating at 200 RPM combined with 30 adjustable water flow levels that let you fine tune cleaning for everything from a sticky kitchen spill to a quick refresh on wood floors. That is absolutely incredible. Throw away those old-fashioned mops. Now the Eufy E25 does offer mopping with a roller mop. Now in terms of the water tanks and the dust pads, believe it or not, the tank capacity plays a bigger role than most people think. The S5A comes with a 4-liter clean water tank that nearly doubles the Eufy's 2.5-liter clean. The bigger tanks means fewer refills and longer uninterrupted cleaning session. Now the dust collection also leans into Roborock's favor. Its 2.7-liter dust bag lasts up to 60 days before you even need to change it. Now the Eufy bag on the other hand is slightly larger, coming in at 3 liters. And then my favorite of them all, we have edge cleaning. Roborock introduced a flexi arm design side brush. It actually extends outwards to grab dirt tucked against walls or even the corners. Now in terms of the size, the Roborock is slimmer, just 9.79 centimeters tall compared to the Eufy 11.1 centimeters tall. The extra clearance lets it slip under couches, beds, low furnitures. Both can cross the 2 centimeter threshold. Now on the surface, the Eufy E25 looks competitive with those strong suction numbers and even a slightly larger dust bag. But once you dive deeper, the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A is on a whole nother level. It gives you smarter navigation, larger water tanks, advanced edge cleaning, a hot water mop brush, automatic dock self-cleaning, hot air drying. The results, well, is less time babysitting your robot and more time actually enjoying a clean home. So if you're considering investing in a robot vacuum, the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A is one of the most hands-free experience in a vacuum ever. You can find all the details and purchase links in the description down below.